Hey everyone! Welcome back to another massive Camp New construction update. And today's progress is getting seriously interesting because we are now starting to see some of the most important structural elements moving into a very advanced stage. The transformation is becoming more visible day by day, and key areas of the stadium are showing clear and rapid development. In today's update, we are going to break down exactly what has changed, where the real progress is happening. So let's get straight into today's update. The third tier continues showing excellent visible progress around almost the entire stadium. Most sections are now nearly fully completed, with only a few remaining gaps still visible near some of the vertical access cores. From different panoramic views, the upper bowl already looks much more complete compared to previous weeks. Construction teams are also continuing work around the access structures that will eventually connect fans to the upper terrace levels. Near the south goal tribune corner, only a small unfinished section of the third tier still remains pending installation, and once completed, the stadium bowl will start looking almost fully enclosed from several exterior angles. The compression ring once again remains one of the biggest highlights of the project. Another massive steel section has now been successfully installed, continuing the extremely fast pace of progress seen during the last few weeks. Workers are currently maintaining a very strong rhythm, with new segments being placed almost every single day. One of the most interesting details now becoming clearly visible is the changing trajectory of the compression ring as it moves around the stadium. Earlier sections passed behind the giant structural pillars, while the newly installed sections now move in front of the pillars, making the future roof design much easier to understand visually. The south goal sector showed some of the most noticeable progress today, with many new supports now installed on the vertical connection joints attached to the black structural beams. Compared to the previous day, this area already looks significantly more advanced, with additional support elements now clearly visible across the structure. Crews are continuing preparation work for future Llama's installation, while alignment and reinforcement tasks are also moving forward across the sector. At the same time, several bolts, beam sections, and structural connections still require anti-corrosion coating before the Llama's installation is fully completed. Construction activity has also increased around the south goal false ceiling area. Multiple elevated platforms were working directly on the guide systems placed between the anchors, preparing this sector for the next major Llama's installation phase. Workers were carefully aligning and tightening the support systems to ensure everything is correctly positioned before installation begins. Additional adjustment work was also visible around the anchor points and ceiling structures, showing that this area is now entering a more advanced stage of construction. Further inside the structure, near the VIP zones, construction equipment including a concrete pump was visible in operation areas. Elevated work platforms were also active nearby while crews continued structural tasks around the upper sections. Some steel components and brackets still require final finishing work, including protective coating applications. Even though some structural sections may appear unfinished from close range, these areas will later receive full treatment and finishing layers as construction progresses. The amount of simultaneous activity across this area highlights how multiple phases of the project are now happening at the same time. One of the biggest highlights today was the arrival and positioning of a new structural phalange section connected to the compression ring system. This newly installed piece represents an important transition phase because the radial beam orientation has now changed configuration in the south goal area. Unlike the lateral sections, where the radial beams face differently, the structure here is now moving into the next stadium geometry stage with the pillars positioned externally. Large structural elements continue arriving daily by truck, showing the speed at which the assembly process is moving forward. The lateral side of the stadium also remains extremely active. Elevated platforms were seen performing welding operations and structural connection work on several black beams where future Llama supports will be attached. Additional vertical support joints have already appeared in multiple areas, showing that preparation work for exterior coverage systems continues expanding section by section. Workers were also assembling the large yellow support structures used during radial beam and pillar installation operations. These temporary working systems are critical for handling the massive compression ring components safely during assembly. Several teams continue operating simultaneously across multiple levels of the lateral structure, demonstrating the scale and coordination of the project. The corner diamond area is progressing quickly and has now entered an important construction phase. Formwork installation has expanded significantly, and crews are actively securing and tightening structural panels before future concrete pours. Workers were visible across both the interior and exterior sections of the diamond structure, carefully reinforcing the formwork systems to ensure stability during the next stages. This area is especially important because the diamond structures are becoming one of the most visually recognizable architectural elements of the new stadium. Heavy machinery, trucks, and material deliveries continue arriving constantly in this sector as construction intensity increases further. Another major update today is the rapid expansion of Llama's installation beneath the false ceiling sections. Compared to previous days, crews have now installed a much larger number of Llamas across the lower exterior area. Entire rows are now extending across wider sections of the structure, creating a far more complete visual appearance. Guide rails and support systems are also being prepared in neighboring sectors, confirming that once one section is completed, installation crews immediately move into the next area. The pace of progress around the Llama's systems has accelerated significantly during recent weeks, making them one of the most visible transformations currently happening on the stadium exterior. The north goal sector also showed strong activity throughout the day. New radial beam pieces continue arriving on site, while multiple elevated platforms were operating across several structural levels. Workers were focused on preparing anchor systems, tightening vertical support connections, and aligning future Llama's support structures. Guidelines between anchors are now clearly visible in several lower false ceiling sections, which strongly suggests that Llama's installation will soon expand into this area as well. The north goal is now following a very similar construction rhythm to the south goal, especially regarding compression ring expansion and exterior preparation work. Protective finishing work continues across many structural sectors of the stadium. Workers were seen applying anti-corrosion paint to beams, bolts, and support systems throughout the north goal area. Some teams used brushes, while others operated spray systems to apply protective coatings to expose steel components. These finishing operations are extremely important because they protect the structure before exterior elements fully cover the framework. Although these details may seem minor compared to the giant structural pieces, they are a crucial part of ensuring long-term durability and final construction quality. The north goal corner remains one of the busiest areas on site. Multiple crews continue working on support systems, structural tubes, and future Llama's mounting zones. Large temporary support structures are still required in this area because many levels of construction activity are happening simultaneously. Several sectors still require additional supports before Llama's installation can fully continue. Concrete and diamond-related work also remains active nearby, although no major visible concrete pours were happening during this moment. Even so, preparation work clearly continues advancing behind the scenes. The Tribuna sector appeared relatively calmer compared to other sections today, but finishing work continues steadily. Workers were seen repairing and smoothing structural surfaces using finishing tools to perfect concrete and platform areas. Large numbers of sandwich panels remain stored nearby, waiting for installation around the mobility core sections where elevators and stair systems are being enclosed. Several upper structural zones still require additional panel installation work, meaning there is still a significant amount of progress left to complete in this area. The exterior corner sections continue receiving preparation work for future support installations. Vertical connection systems are already visible in many areas, showing where additional Llama supports will soon be mounted. As construction advances toward the central Tribuna sectors, spacing between structural elements becomes increasingly noticeable due to the stadium geometry and design transitions. The overall stadium transformation is now becoming more dramatic every single day, and finishing work are all progressing simultaneously across the site. The project now looks far more complete compared to previous months, and the speed of activity continues increasing as construction teams push forward on multiple fronts at once. With every passing day, Camp Nou looks more complete, more modern, and closer to becoming the spectacular new home of FC Barcelona. The speed of progress across the structure is becoming increasingly impressive, and many areas are already starting to reveal the final identity of the future stadium. There is still a lot of work ahead, but the transformation now feels truly real from every angle. The coming weeks are expected to bring even bigger visual changes as construction continues accelerating around the project. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again in the next stadium update.